In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Namecheap password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing your password is an important step in keeping your online account secure, and it's quick and straightforward with Namecheap. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to the Namecheap website. This is where you can manage all your domain names and hosting services. Open your web browser and head over to namecheap.com. Once you land on the home page, look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that button and enter your existing credentials to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Namecheap account dashboard. Look for the Account section. It's usually located in the same area where you found the Login option. Click on Account, and a menu will unfold. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings where you can view or edit your account details. Here, you'll also be able to manage your security settings. Looking for the Security tab? Great! You'll want to click on the Security option next. This section is dedicated to all the security features for your account, including password management. Now, just when you're thinking about changing your password, you should see an Edit button somewhere near the top of the security page. Go ahead and click that. This action will allow you to start the password changing process. At this point, you're going to enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters is always a great idea. Once you've typed in your new password, make sure to double-check that you've entered it correctly. Now, you'll need to re-enter that new password in the highlight field to confirm it. This additional step ensures that you didn't make any typos when typing your new password. But we aren't done yet. Once you've confirmed your new password, you'll be prompted to enter your old Namecheap password. This is a precautionary measure that protects your account and ensures that it's indeed you requesting the change. Finally, once you have all of this filled out, look for the Save Changes button. This is the moment of truth. Click it, and just like that, your password is updated. After saving, take a moment to bask in the success of your password change. Namecheap will typically notify you that your password has changed successfully. It's always reassuring to see that confirmation, isn't it? And that's it. You've successfully changed your Namecheap password. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step toward enhancing the security of your online accounts, making it harder for anyone else to gain unauthorized access to your valuable information. Remember, it's always good practice to change your passwords regularly and to use different passwords across different accounts, as this adds an additional layer of security. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support encourages us to create even more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and happy managing your online presence with Namecheap.